Welcome back, guys, with another video today. I'm going to do, I guess, a little unboxing. I received the package in today, and I figured I would just go ahead and do a quick video on what it is, and it's more than likely going to be the next project that we do on the Mustang. So I'll cut to the box and show you guys what we got. Okay, let's see if we can get this open and check this out. And hopefully you guys can see this in the video. I'm not really sure. I didn't even check it out. Let's see if it's in the frame. Yeah, I think you can see it. And this should be my H-pipe that we're going to put on the car. And I know everybody's seen an exhaust and seen an H-pipe. And I actually ordered this from LMR. It came with the mounting hardware, a couple flanges there, exhaust clamp, and band clamps. I'm not sure if that's all of them. That doesn't look like enough to me. We'll put those off to the side. And take the stuff out of the box. And that actually is all the hardware that they put in here, which I don't think is, I could be wrong or mistaken. And this is the pipes off-road H-pipe is what this will be once it's all assembled and installed on the car. I'm a little concerned with those clamps because this is multiple pieces, and I'm not sure if they're all here. And again, I don't know if you guys can even see this in the, yeah. But anyway, just want to do a quick video and let you guys know I got this, and it's going to be the next project that we're going to do. And the quality, the welds on that look pretty crappy actually. But anyway, I'll get this installed on the car probably later this week. And you guys know what it sounds like now with a video of the cold start. And of course we'll do a video, you know, to go back over the before and after of that old stock exhaust. Trying to get this set up so frame, because currently now on the Mustang we're just running it's the stock exhaust other than the headers, which I had installed Shorty BBK headers on it. Other than that, it's the factory H-pipe with the Flowmasters, which are welded in. So I'm going to go with this pipes. I listened to several sound clips, and I like the way it sounded, and really I wanted an H-pipe because of the traditional sound of a Mustang, which is that rumble. And I feel, in my opinion, if you go with an X-pipe, which so many guys do, and I'm not sure if that's because they're more plentiful and easier to find an X-pipe, I just don't like the sound as much. They have a more raspy sound than what I think a muscle car, especially a Mustang, should sound like. So it was difficult actually to find an H-pipe to go with the Bullet. You know, I just I searched and searched and searched. I wanted to go with BBK because that's what the hitters are, and I even called them and reached out, and they didn't even have an H-pipe supposedly. to fit my application, as well as so many others. X-Pipe, no problem, found those all day long. But this came from, I'm pretty sure this came from LMR. It did come from LMR. I had to think for a second, because I've kind of given up on American Muscle due to the fact that, well, many reasons that I won't go into. So this is my first purchase from LMR. I won't drag this video out too long. I'm actually longer now than what I wanted to be, 5 minutes. So anyway, just wanted to let you guys know this is going to be an upcoming video on the installation. I'm not sure how much of that I'll cover, but we'll definitely do a before and after and get this on. Hopefully everything goes fairly easy. I'm thinking an hour install. Knocked out should be an hour. Maybe that's wishful thinking. I wouldn't see any more than 2 hours, since it's just the mid pipe. It's fairly simple. Get under and unbolt the old one, pull it out, and put the new one in. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching us. Give us a like, subscribe, and don't forget to click your bell for notifications when I do upload new videos. And we will get this installed hopefully this week, weather permitting, and my schedule and everything like that. And then I'll get that video out to you guys. Thanks again.